The ship that will change travel forever. Ships are some of the oldest technologies still in regular use today, and they have helped us navigate a world that is mostly covered in water since longer than we can remember. You would think this would mean every kind of ship had been invented already, but we are in fact still innovating and creating new ships that are changing the game all the time. Vehicle transport ship. The popular Japanese company Kyokuyo managed to build an amazing ship bearing a proud name, City St. Petersburg. The unusual sea vessel is 140 meters long with a mass of 21,000 tons, and its main purpose is the transportation of cars by sea. The ship is capable of carrying more than 2,000 vehicles at a time. You need no more than 24 people to operate the vessel. The bow part of the liner is made in a round shape, which significantly contributes to the reduction of air resistance. Stella Deneb. Until 2008, the Deneb Prima, Stella Deneb is the world's largest livestock transport vessel. Built in 1980 with a length of 213.20 meters and a width of 32.2, its draught is 11.5 meters with a gross capacity of 50,947 cattle. MPI Adventure. These ships were designed to withstand any sea calamity, even if it was very strong. The engine power reaches 2,000 HP, making MPI Adventure quite rotary and nimble. The main feature of the vessel is that it is capable of standing on 6 legs towering above sea level. This feature of the ship endows it with the ability to withstand any natural disasters on the water. MPI Adventure has a sister ship, MPI Discovery, and they're used to house wind generators in the ocean that help provide Europe with cheap, ecologically clean energy. Ramform Hyperion. In 2017, Mitsubishi Shipbuilding Company designed Ramform Hyperion. Due to its wide stern, the vessel has a steady platform on which to accommodate any, even very sensitive equipment. Ramform Hyperion is engaged in towing various sensors that are capable of covering an area of up to 12 kilometers squared. The ship is able to move almost silently on water, which eliminates the appearance of extraneous noises that would interfere in geolocation. When a vessel is engaged in reconnaissance and research work, other ships are advised not to approach the platform for less than 10 miles. If you're pumped on water, you can feel a steady surface under your feet on Ramform Hyperion, which hardly swings. Blue Marlin. The powerful Blue Marlin vessel has impressive giant dimension and is used to transport other vessels, oil platforms, and other large facilities. The vessel has a large lift that is capable of diving half into water to transport oil platforms, rigs, or damaged warships. The ship provides 38 cabins, which can comfortably accommodate 60 people. There is also a warm-up room on Blue Marlin, a sauna, and a large supply of boats. Blue Marlin has a Black Marlin sister ship, which also refers to the elevator ships. They were built in the mid-2000s by the offshore shipbuilding company. Nevis. Oil is the main mineral that regulates the entire world industry. Carrying precious black gold is much more profitable and economical on water than other ways. Nevis is the longest ship not only involved in oil transportation, but will be able to even transport the Eiffel Tower. The tanker has a maximum carrying capacity of 565,000 tons. Conventional ships have a maximum carry capacity of 280,000. The total length of the ship is really impressive and admirable at 458 meters. This gives the ability to transport oil anywhere in the world worth more than 125 million American dollars at a time. RV Flip. This ship is still called the Flip due to its ability to submerge one part underwater to explore the seabed. In fact, it's not exactly a vessel because it's not capable of walking on water on its own. The main purpose of Flip is open ocean research. Several dozen people can live on the ship at the same time. The vessel is equipped with everything necessary for a comfortable life and research. Vanguard. Built in 2012, Vanguard is the world's largest cargo ship. This massive vessel is 70% larger than any analogs and, unlike them, has an absolutely flat deck. This means that all 275 meters of length and 70 meters of width can be fully used for loading. The ship is also semi-submersible. Using watertight ballast tanks, the crew can lower the deck below the surface of the water. This is useful when Vanguard has to capture floating cargo, such as the capsized Costa Concordia vessel. Chikyu. With its ability to scan the seabed up to 7 kilometers deep, the Japanese research vessel Chikyu is an important tool for scientists in understanding global geological changes. The ship is monitoring seismogenic areas of the Earth's crust in order to provide advance warning of future earthquakes. Nexans Skagerrak. The ship Nexans Skagerrak is considered to be one of the most advanced vessels for laying deep-sea cables to date. Its coil can hold on the order of 7,000 tons of cable. The distinguishing feature of Nexans Skagerrak is the ability to lay large power cables. The coil diameter of this ship is as much as 29 meters. Also on board are the latest systems that allow the cable to be laid in seas around the world with maximum accuracy and even in conditions of increased complexity. This is provided by the Cable Touch Control System. Kawasaki Heavy Industries Limited announced its obtainment of approval in principle AIP from Nippon Kaiji Kyokai Class NK for a Cargo Containment System CSS offering the world's largest capacity, 40,000 meters cubed class per tank, developed for use on a large liquefied hydrogen carrier. The CCS is designed to contain cryogenic liquefied hydrogen reduced to a temperature of -253 degrees Celsius and 1/800th of its initial volume for shipping by the sea in large amounts. This containment system has the largest capacity of its kind worldwide, used in liquefied hydrogen marine transport.